Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrators. Today we are going to see some of the basic designs, of electrical vehicle. Okay, we had classified this session into 7 parts. Okay, so first let us try to see the part 1 today. Okay, so today we are going to see 4 things in this part 1. That is, what is electromobility? Okay, what is a zero emission vehicle, and what is a battery electric vehicle, and what are the main components of the electrical vehicle? Okay, so basically if you try to know about electric mobility, it's nothing but a vehicle that are driven by means of electric energy. So if you drive any vehicle with the help of electrical energy, it is referred as a electromobility. Okay, so it can be of different varieties. Maybe we can go for battery powered vehicle and hybrid vehicles as well, or the vehicle which is driven by fuel cells. So first, what is a zero emission device? A vehicle that do not release exhaust gases into the environment during the operation. So that is referred as a zero emission vehicle. Okay. And what is a battery electrical vehicle? A vehicle that are moved exclusively by a electric drive. Okay. With the help of the battery power. These are also referred as battery electrical vehicles. Okay. Very simple terminologies. So what are the main components of an electrical vehicle? So if you look into an electrical vehicle, so see here, the first and the foremost part is that the electric motor. So it itself act as an alternator or a generator as well. Okay, and we have a transmission. Okay, transmission line, that is the second one. Okay, third thing is the power electronics is the most important component, which will have the inverters and the converters inside it, and high voltage lines, high voltage batteries, high voltage batteries. And sixth is the electronic box with the control unit for the battery regulations. Okay, and we have the cooling system as well. Next is the braking system, and the more next is the air conditioning compressors. Next, high voltage air conditioning compressors, high voltage heating. Okay, battery charger, charging contact for the external charging. Okay, and external charging sources. Okay, so these are the main components of an electrical vehicle. So as we all know about start earlier, the electric motor will have a rotor, stator, and it will have a power electronics, and most importantly high voltage battery. So this is the components of this electrical motor which is present inside this electrical vehicle. Okay, so mostly it will be of a simpler design, these electrical drive motors. Okay, these are freely selectable, because why, if you want to rotate or turn a vehicle, okay, counterclockwise as well as reverse it, we can do it. So this is how the normally the electrical motors are designed in a simpler way inside this electric vehicle. Next part, important part, is the high voltage battery. So it is the heart of the electrical vehicle. It supplies, okay, it supplies as well as get charged. Okay, it supplies the DC voltage to this power electronic equipments. So what the power electronic equipments will do, it will convert the DC into AC, can supplies the to the electrical motor. The electrical motor will be a AC motor. Okay, which will have 3 wires of U, V, and W, 3 phases. Okay, thank you so much. So if you want to learn more, okay, and if you want to do projects, feel free to contact us. Okay, we provide design, installation, testing, and commissioning support for building automation, home automation, and industrial automation projects. And we are providing the design, installation, testing, and commissioning support for the solar power projects also. So today we can see the part 1 of this basics of this electrical vehicle. In the forthcoming sessions we will try to see the other parts. Thank you.